If you don't see incoming calls from WhatsApp on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have the not disturb mode activated. So for example, we're gonna open settings, then in settings go to sound and vibration, and then in here we have the not disturb settings. You want to make sure that DND mode is not activated, because if it is, then most likely this is the reason why you cannot see incoming calls being displayed on your phone when someone calls you from WhatsApp. This might also interrupt your calls, just normal calls, I mean. So if someone calls your number, you might not be able to see it with the DND mode as well. Now, in case this is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then what you can also do is you can go to apps. Now, over here in apps, we should be able to scroll down and we need to find WhatsApp. There we go. Once we go here, we're gonna begin by going to app permissions, and then you want to make sure that lots of these permissions are granted, like for example call logs. You might also grant the access to camera, although I don't think it's really necessary to grant the access at first, but still we can of course allow the app to use it. We can also allow contacts. Location is not that important, I think. Microphone, I'm gonna actually allow the location. Pretty much everything that we have in here you can grant access for this app, just to make sure. But I think the important one is the phone permission over here, the SMS permission as well, in order to, of course, receive messages. Notifications, for sure, you want to make sure that notifications are enabled. Also make sure that lock screen notifications are enabled, permanent notifications as well. And then in here in chats or maybe in other, you might want to go through these options to make sure that everything is on. By default, it should be, so that shouldn't be a problem. But of course, just in case you want to go through that list and make sure that everything is granted, everything is enabled. And now we should be able to see those incoming calls. But in case you still cannot see incoming calls, you can clear data from WhatsApp. Now in this case, we have managed space, which redirects you to WhatsApp, to proper settings, where you should be able to clear the data. You can also just clear cache at first. Keep in mind that if you clear app data, you might be locked out of your account, so make sure that you have access to the account, that you remember the password or something like that, of course. So if necessary, keep those things in mind, that you will have to log in again. And if still you cannot see incoming calls, the last thing that you can do is maybe not the last one, but what you can do is you can completely uninstall the app and then install it one more time. This also, of course, means that you would have to log into your account again. And if this doesn't help as well, you can just simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot of the device can also be quite helpful, and it might solve some of the issues. But I'm pretty sure after going through the permission settings and notification settings, and even clearing the data, you might be able to see those incoming calls from WhatsApp. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.